will show you an exciting experiment that you can do at home. We're gonna make an experiment that will make these balloons blow up. But we won't be blowing into it. Instead, we're gonna blow it up using two things that you probably had at home. In order to do this experiment, you will need these materials: balloons and empty plastic bottles, baking soda, vinegar, and a funnel. Make sure that you do this experiment in an area where you can make a mess. First, place your funnel inside of the balloon and put 2 tablespoons of baking soda, like this. Second, place your funnel inside the plastic bottle and put 1/4 cup of vinegar. With this next step, we have to be very careful so we don't spill what's inside of the balloon. Put the end of the balloon around the opening of the bottle. If you need any help, feel free to ask a grown-up to help you. Now that our materials are ready, on the count of 3, let's pull the balloon up and watch what will happen. 1, 2, 3! Now to the next one. 1, 2, 3! That was amazing! Did you see how the balloon inflated as we mixed the baking soda and vinegar together? The baking soda and the vinegar create an acid-base reaction, and the 2 chemicals work together to create gas called carbon dioxide. Remember that gases need space to move. That's why the gas moves to the balloon and inflates it. Pretty cool, huh? I hope you enjoyed our home experiment for today. Let me know if you tried it at home. Till next time!